Good morning, students of class 4. Today I am going to discuss the third part of the third lesson, Henry. As we all know, who is Henry? A pet chameleon. A pet chameleon of the narrator. How it came to his house and all in the last two videos we learned. So, in the last video, I explained that though the chameleon Henry did not do any harm at home, but sometimes it creates something like a riot in the nursery school. Though it did not do any harm at home, but sometimes it created a riot in the nursery school down the road. So, what happened? Just we started. So, what happened? Then grandmother sent some fresh papayas to the principal of that nursery school. It also smuggled inside. Nobody knew that Henry was inside the basket. So the gardener took the basket to the office. Then Mrs. Ghosh, the principal, was not there. When she came back after her rounds, she saw that fresh papayas were kept there. So she began admiring and examining the papayas. Out popped Henry. While she was examining the basket, while she was admiring the papayas, who jumped out from the basket? Henry. Unexpectedly, it jumped from the basket. If something happened unexpectedly, whether you or I, we get a shock, isn't it? Mrs. Ghosh screamed, means she shouted. She never expected, especially when we see a crawling animal or anything, we get frightened. For example, if we see a spider or a garden lizard or a snake unexpectedly, we scream when nobody is with us. We scream, we shout, we howl. So when Mrs. Ghosh saw that Henry jumped from the basket, she screamed. Henry would probably have liked to blush a deep red, but he turned a bright green instead. Okay? So, when it was in the basket, it changed its color into green. Means Henry would probably have liked to blush a deep red. It always liked to be in red, but he turned a bright green instead, as that was the color of the papayas. When we all know that chameleons change their color according to the situation where they are. If it is on a trunk of a tree, if any harm comes to on its way, it changes its color to the trunk of the tree. So when it was in the basket along with the papayas, it changed its color into bright green. Mrs. Ghosh's assistant, Miss Daniels, rushed in, took one look at the chameleon and joined in the screaming. When Mrs. Ghosh screamed, her assistant, Miss Daniel, also heard her screaming. She rushed to the office. When she looked at the chameleon, she also screamed. Now both were screaming there. First Mrs. Ghosh, she screamed, now her assistant. Henry took fright and fled from the office, running down the corridor and into one of the classrooms. When Henry heard these two were screaming, it also got scared. It ran from the office, running down the corridor. It ran from the office to corridor and got into one of the classroom. Now you can just imagine what would happen, what will happen there. Now, principal and her assistant screamed. Now it entered into one of the classrooms. There he climbed onto a desk while the children ran in all directions, some to get away from Henry, some to catch him, but Henry made his exit through a window and disappeared into the garden. When Henry entered into the classroom and it climbed onto a desk, seeing Henry there, children they ran all directions. Some children want to get away from Henry. That means some of them wanted to get Henry away from them. Some children wanted to catch them. So here and there children were running. By the time, what did Henry do? Henry made his exit. Anyhow, Henry tried to get away through the window and it got into the garden. Grandmother heard all about the incident from Mrs. Ghosh, but did not tell her that the chameleon was ours. I did not think Henry would find his way back to us because the school was 3 houses away. But 3 days later, I found him sunning himself on the garden wall and he readily accepted some food from my hand. After happening all this, it went into the garden, isn't it? It climbed on a desk and then it got a way through the window and then it got back into the garden. So principal, Mrs. Go, she told all the incident to my grandmother, but grandmother kept quiet. She did not say that chameleon was ours. Nobody knew the chameleon which was in the basket that was of the narrator. Then narrator thought that after this incident, Henry would not find back his way to our house because the narrator's house and the school had 3 houses distance. Okay, the narrator's house and the school had 3 houses distance. Little, not that much, 3 houses distance it was. Then narrator thought, oh, after this Henry will not come back to his house because the school was 3 houses away. But 3 days later, I found him sunning himself on the garden wall. Okay, for 3 days Henry was not found there. After 3 days, what could the narrator see? He could see that Henry was sunning himself on the garden wall. Henry was lying on the garden wall and he readily accepted some food from my hand. Seeing the chameleon, the narrator wanted to make sure that whether the chameleon was Henry or not. He took some food and gave it to the chameleon. Soon Henry accepted food from the narrator. Then he understood the chameleon which was lying on the garden wall was their Henry. So with this we have come to an end of the 3rd lesson's explanation. So my dear students, what did you learn? If we love animals, even if they get their way or if they lose their way, anyhow they will find back their way to us. The thing is that like human, animals are also lovable. They love their master. Even if they get lost, one day they will search the way and they will come back to our. Animals are also our friends. So from this lesson we learned that the Henry, the chameleon, though it did not do any harm to the household, but only it made some problems in the nursery school. So my dear students, read this lesson and learn the word meaning also. Okay, take care, be safe, stay healthy. Thank you and have a good day.